Want to make an exciting cricket match video animation using just PowerPoint? In this video, we will show you how to create a bold, energetic design in green and yellow, perfect for showcasing your final match lineup. No video editor needed, just smart shape, pattern and smooth animation right inside PowerPoint. Let's dive in. First, right-click on the slide, choose Format Background, select Pattern Fill. Pick a pattern that feels sporty and texture. Then, change the foreground colors to green tone to give that cricket field vibe. Insert a rectangle shape, drag it across the slide. Remove the shape outline. Click on Gradient Fill. Choose a preset gradient and modify the colors to green. Adjust transparency, gradient stop, and set the type to linear for smooth flow. Insert a rounded rectangle. Set the shape outline to black and the shape fill to bright yellow. Right click, edit text, type live. Change the text color, make it bold with Ctrl B. Insert a text box, type final match. Change the text color to white. Use a strong font like Arial Black. Set font spacing to very tight and increase the font size to 88 point. Go to line spacing option, select exactly and reduce line spacing to 75 point for better visual impact. Insert a rectangle, fill it with yellow and remove the outline. Now add team logos or icon from your device using insert pictures. Resize and adjust them inside the rectangles. Duplicate the team text box, set font size to 44, change the color to black and type Team A. Duplicate all these elements, delete the symbol, change A to B. Group each team's item together neatly. Duplicate the text box again and type US. Set the size to 44 point and place it in between the teams. Insert a parallelogram shape for image placement. Go to Shape Fill, Pictures from File and insert the first player image. Duplicate the picture, move it to the bottom and change it to second image using Change Picture from File. Select the first image, go to Animation, add animation, apply basic zoom from Entrance. Reduce duration for snappy effect. Use Animation Painter to copy the animation to the second image. Set it to with previous and add a delay of 0.1 second. Next, keep applying the same animation with increased delay 0.2 second, 0.3 second and so on to create a sequential animation effect. And just like that, you have created a bold animated cricket final match video using only PowerPoint. From background to animation, every element in built to impress, perfect for team intros, YouTube short, reels or match announcement. Want the editable file? It's linked in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, smash that like button and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more powerful PowerPoint design.